Alright, this is how you take the tyre off a rim at home. So we've got some almost new Kumo Eco Wing tyres here, and I want to take them off these rims that aren't selling. It's got near new tread, and we're going to chuck them back up on Marketplace and see if I can sell the tyres on their own. But to save a few bucks, we're going to take them off ourselves. So start by undoing the valve cover. And you need to get yourself a tool like this. This is a core removing tool. So you just use this end here and you unscrew the valve that's inside there. So let's do that now. So just don't put your face over the valve because it can spring out. This will release all the air pressure, and undoing the core will release all the air pressure. So you hear some air coming out. So just grab that core out, and all the air will rush out. Only takes a few seconds. There we go, we've pretty much lost all the air in these tyres. So now to take these tyres off the rim, we need to break the bead, because at the moment these tyres are still absolutely stuck onto the rim. So I'll show you a trick to break that bead. So what you're going to need is quite a long piece of timber, fairly strong. I think this is a 2x4. Alright, so under one end, put your tyre into position. Rest your piece of timber just behind the rim and the tyre there, just like that. Alright, so now we need to line up the other end of the timber with the wheel of the car. So you are going to have to drive over this timber. It might be an idea for you to get someone to give you a hand and give you some guidance to when you reach the limit. Alright, so I'm going to get in my ute. I'm going to drive up this timber and break the bead on the tyre. Alright, so now we're going to flip the tyre over. We'll do the other side.
You were like a tiny bit on the rim. You went all the way.
Alright, after all that, this piece of timber is not strong enough, so we're going to have a look around, and I've found this square heavy duty garden stake. We're going to give this one a crack, literally. It's kind of holding up. But this one has done the job. We've broken the bead. Ideally, I'd love to have a piece of square tubing or something that's a lot stronger. That's done the job. Now we'll just flip the rim over and we'll do the other side. Hopefully this holds up. I don't like its chances. And no, this piece of timber has also kicked the bucket. So I'm going to have a look around, see what else I've got that's a bit stronger. So I found an old jack with a spare handle. This is pretty heavy duty. I've pushed up against another tyre to hold it in place. And hopefully we can get this bead to crack. This one's being a bit difficult, but that's done the job. There we go, our final tyre. We've cracked the bead on both sides. This one just needs a little bit more, so I've put a square piece of jarrah underneath. And there we go, that's totally cracked the bead. Alright, so that's how you break the bead on all your tyres. Let's get the tyres off. Alright, now we're going to take off the tyre from the rim. Lots of detergent. Chuck in your screwdriver. Get the first one out. Grab a second one out. We'll pop in our bar and we'll go for a third one. Obviously, if you've got nice rims, do it from the back first. Alright. One more over here and we should be popped off. Okay. There's our first half popped off. Now you want to flip it over. Get some more detergent around the edge. Get some more detergent around that bead. From the inside, you want to crack that first bead. Like so. So we're going to actually use some silicone spray around the edge here. Make it extra slippery. Now you want to feed your screwdriver into the next part of the tyre. Pull that out and then hold that in there. Grab a third screwdriver. Go in again, another couple of inches over. Reef that out. And then same thing, go over another couple of inches. Try and get your screwdriver inside of that one. Reef it out. Oh shit, okay, we've slipped out there. Just make sure you don't slip out. Back in there. So hold it securely. Go in again. Obviously you've got a hand, makes it a lot easier. Thanks, Blake. Try and squeeze in. And the next one, all right, we've pretty much cracked that. One more, we should be out. There we go. That's how you remove the rim and tyre. With basic hand tools, bit of wood or a pole, and your car. So you go Outback tyre removal in the suburbs. Beauty. And as always, thanks for watching. If you liked what you see, hit the like button. Don't forget to leave a comment below. That would help my channel grow. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. That would be fantastic.